अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, होप सो यू विल बी फाइन। जुनैना उस्मान आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर है एंड यू आर वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल. So we were doing active voice and passive voice, and yesterday I have made you understand that what is the meaning of active voice and what is the meaning of passive voice. And we were doing all things with sequence. So we are doing present indefinite tense, but I have made you understand the affirmative passive voice. So I will not write today the structure of active voice, and I have written the passive voice structure directly. So as I have told you that I have done my work in affirmative way. So today we will learn that how to make negative and affirmative sentences of these sentences. So a letter is written by her. This is a passive voice sentence but of present indefinite tense. Alright, so this sentence is affirmative sentence because in this sentence neither we deny nor we are asking any question. This is a positive sentence. A letter is written by her, यानी कि एक ऐसा जुमला जिसमें ना हम इनकार कर रहे हैं ना ही हम सवाल कर रहे हैं, but we are just saying a simple sentence. हम सिर्फ एक सादा सा जुमला बता रहे हैं. So a letter is written by her. So how I will convert it in negative? So let me do it for you. I am making negative sentence of this passive affirmative sentence. So you can see here the structure of that you have to apply first object, already a letter is subject, then is MR. You have to see your object, that your object is in singular or it is in plural form. Okay, so after is MR you have to apply not because this is a negative sentence, and later on you will apply verb third form because in active voice and because in active voice and passive voice you have to insert only verb third form, no other form of verb will come here. Then afterwards you will apply by, and at the last you have to apply subjective pronoun. Alright, so a letter is written by her. So how you will make passive voice? A letter is not. You can see here object is a letter, then is, then not, then verb third form, by her. Alright, then likewise books are read by you. Books are sentence will remain same, only you have to add not. No other big change will occur here. Books are not read by you. Alright, so the food is cooked by us. The food then is not cooked by us. Then full stop, at the last you have to insert full stop because this is negative sentence, and in negative sentence and in affirmative sentence we have to insert full stop, and in question the sentence in which the question is asked you have to insert interrogative mark. Alright, they drink coffee. ठीक है, कॉफी है यहाँ पर। सॉरी, यदि this is passive voice and coffee is drunk. ठीक है, coffee is drunk by them. Coffee is will remain same and not will be added here because this is a negative. Coffee is not drunk by them. The clothes are washed by her. The clothes are washed by her. So you can see here there is no other big change, only we have to add not, but this not will be added after helping verb and before verb third form. So don't forget to apply not. You have to insert not at his right place, and if you insert it at the wrong place, then the sentence will become wrong. Alright, so let's come to interrogative sentences of passive voice. So we have done affirmative and negative sentences. Now we come to interrogative sentence, that how we will make the interrogative sentences of active voice and passive voice. So we are doing passive voice in fact, and as I have told you that your simple tenses are called active voice because in which subject is active, but in passive voice the object is active and the all emphasis has been done on verb. ठीक है, पूरे का पूरा जोर जो है वर्ब पर दिया गया है और सब्जेक्ट इज लेस इम्पॉर्टेंट, सब्जेक्ट की अहमियत कम होती है, ऑब्जेक्ट इज मच मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट देन सब्जेक्ट. ऑलराइट, so in interrogative, while we are making interrogative sentences, so how I will make the structure of my passive voice, present indefinite, but in interrogative. So the helping verb will come here first because this is an interrogative sentence. Is, am, are, then object, and then verb third form by subjective pronoun. Okay. So there is also not much more difference. Just like in negative we have added not, but in interrogative we will insert helping verb first, then after object. Whereas you have seen in negative sentences that object was coming first. ठीक है, आपने नेगेटिव में क्या देखा था कि ऑब्जेक्ट पहले आ रहा है, आपने अफर्मेटिव में क्या देखा था, ऑब्जेक्ट पहले आ रहा है, लेकिन इंटेरोगेटिव में आप क्या देख रहे हैं कि हेल्पिंग वर्ब पहले आ रहा है और ऑब्जेक्ट इसके बाद आ रहा है, और बाकी इसके अलावा देयर इज नो अदर डिफरेंस. सो मस्ट रिमेंबर दीज थिंग्स, एंड दीज थिंग्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रूल्स. So the helping verb will come first. So these sentences are written but in affirmative, and we will convert these affirmative sentences into interrogative sentences. Alright, so our letter is written by her. This is first sentence, and if we want to make it in interrogative, so how I will convert it, you can see here. Our letter is written by her. Helping is has been used here as a helping verb, but in interrogative you have to insert helping verb first, so you will write here is first. Alright, is, then our letter is our letter, is our letter. See, I have chosen is because my object is singular. A letter, a khat, that is why is will come here. So is, then after this object and our object is a letter, is a letter, then verb third form will remain same, is a letter written by her. No other change came here, no other change took place here, only you have inserted helping verb first, and at the last you will not apply a full stop, you have to insert here interrogative mark because this is an interrogative sentence. Alright, I hope so you understood it. So we will make the same sentence but in interrogative, but the formula will be same. So let me change it for you, and you can change it by yourself so as you can practice well. Books are read by you. You can see here that here helping verb are has been used. ठीक है, are use हुआ है यहाँ पर, that is why because this is interrogative, so are will come first. Are, then your object is verb. Are books. Are books. We have solved the issue of helping verb because are will come, then object is verb. Are books, then verb third form, and verb is what is verb? Read. Then the third form is read. As I have told you multiple times that the R-E-A-D read is first, R-E-A-D read is second, R-E-A-D also the third form, but only the saying style will be different. R-E-A-D read, it is first form, R-E-A-D, but read will be read here. R-E-A-D read हम second form पढ़ेंगे, and third form will be also R-E-A-D read. Are books read? Then you can see here we have to apply here by. Are books read by you? Question mark. The food is cooked by us. The food is cooked by us. This is. Then the is helping verb here because this is an interrogative sentence. That is why. See, I am repeating these things again and again so as you can memorize it. Is the food. The food is object. See, after helping verb, object. Then verb third form, you have to search in the sentence according to formula that what thing you want. If I want my verb, then I will see my sentence that in this sentence where the verb has been used. So I will just pick that verb. So is the food cooked? Verb third form will come. Is the food cooked by us? And at the last you have to insert interrogative mark. Then coffee is drunk by them. Alright. So is. Again is. Is ठीक है? Is आ गया? Is. Then coffee is your object. Is coffee. Then verb third form is drunk. Is coffee drunk? Then by, according to formula, you can see here I am strictly following the rules of formula. I am not going here and there. I am not going contrary to formula. I am strictly following the rules of formula, and you have to also do this because in grammar we are not supposed to make any mistake. Is coffee drunk? By them. They is the subjective pronoun, and them has been used as a subjective pronoun, but the them subject is they. The clothes are washed by her. See the clothes, बहुत सारे कपड़ों की बात हो रही है, so we have used here are. So the are will come here first. Are the clothes are the clothes are आ गया the clothes object. Verb third form. What is verb third form? Wash, washed, washed by her. It is possible that in any exam you are directed to make negative and interrogative sentences of affirmative, but in passive voice, so you have to learn that how you will make negative and how you will make interrogative, and you have to learn the rules. All right, so I have not inserted here interrogative mark, and if you make such kind of mistake, your sentence will be counted incorrect, so must follow it. So let's do interrogative plus negative now. So as we have done affirmative, as we have done negative, as we have done interrogative, now we will do such kind of sentences in which negative and interrogative will come all together. Alright, यानी कि जिसमें इनकार भी होगा और सवाल भी होगा, as we have done in tenses. So a sentence is categorized into 4 parts. First is affirmative, second is negative, third is interrogative, and fourth is negative plus interrogative. So here the helping verb will come first because this is an interrogative sentence, and then not will be added after object. It means it is negative. So the negative plus interrogative will be joined here. Alright, so let's do these sentences. A letter is written by her. This is an affirmative sentence and I have to convert it in negative plus interrogative sentence. How I will do it? A letter is written by her. So is क्या है हमारा? Helping verb. So is then object is a letter. Is a letter. After object you have to apply not. Why? Because this is negative sentence also with interrogative. Is a letter not. Then verb third form is written. It has been written already here because this is a passive. This is a passive sentence. Is a letter not written. According to formula, you have to insert by. By, and subjective pronoun is her. Her is used for she. It means I am talking about a female. So her will come as it is because this is already a passive but an affirmative. And at the last interrogative. Why interrogative? Because with negative it is also a question. That कि क्या letter उसने लिखे थे, क्या लेटर उसने नहीं लिखे थे, तो ये उर्दू में इसका मतलब होगा. A letter is written by her. Is a letter not written by her? क्या खत उसने नहीं लिखे थे, तो इस तरह. Books are read by you. Books है, that is why are will come here. Are will come here first. Are, then object is your books. Are books. Alright, are books. Then not, according to formula. Then verb third form. Verb third form is read. Are books not read. Then by. Are books not read by you? Then question mark. Are books not read by you? कि तुमने किताब नहीं पढ़े हैं. The food is cooked by us. मैं किसी सवाल पूछ रही हूँ कि क्या तुमने किताब नहीं पढ़ी, क्या तुमने किताबें नहीं पढ़ी हैं? द फूड इज कुक बाय अस. सो फर्स्ट फूड. अब देखें ऑब्जेक्ट क्या है आपका, द फूड है. इट मीन्स आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट अ सिंगुलर ऑब्जेक्ट. So because this is a question, that is why the helping verb will come first here. So what will I write? So the helping verb is. So I will just write here is. Then the object is the food. Is the food. Is the food. Then not will come here. Is the food not? ठीक है. Cooked. Cooked is verb third form. Is the food not cooked? Then by according to formula. Then us is subjective pronoun. And at the last question mark. Question mark is the part of punctuation. Full stop is also part of punctuation. Coffee is drunk by them. देखिए coffee is drunk by them. So is as a helping verb. Coffee is object. Is the coffee. Not according to formula. Is the coffee not? Then verb third form. Is the coffee not drunk? By will remain constant in all passive voice. Remember one thing, sometimes we don't insert by, because in newspaper you have read multiple times that in passive voice the by is not used. So it can be also possible, but as we are learning the basic rules of passive voice, active voice and passive voice, that is why I am inserting here by. But in advanced English you can miss the word by. As I have told you in earlier that many people were killed at Leari. Okay? So in that situation it is necessary that you must remember one thing, that in basic rule you have to learn about by, but it can be possible sometimes that you don't insert the word by. Is the coffee not drunk? By them. Them is subjective pronoun and the they is its subject. The clothes are washed by her. Or we will write here or. Object is the clothes. Are the clothes. Not according to formula. Then verb third form is washed. Then by. Her. Question mark. Alright. So I have made you understand how to make passive voice of present indefinite tense. We have done affirmative sentences. We have done negative, interrogative and negative plus interrogative. So our present indefinite tense has been completed of active voice and passive voice. And tomorrow we will do present continuous tense and we will do all the parts as affirmative, negative, interrogative and negative plus interrogative. So I hope so you like my video and you understood it, you make sentence and you can get me check in the comment section that how you are making the sentence. It will be your part of practice. This will be the part of your exercise. So I hope so you like my video, but don't forget to subscribe my channel and watch my videos fully and learn on daily basis and do practice. Due to coronavirus, the exams have been cancelled, but it doesn't mean that you leave to learn. You have to learn it. This is my advice to you. So take opportunity, enjoy this opportunity. बेस्ट ऑफ लक। तब तक के लिए आप जुलियाना उस्मान को इजाज़त दीजिए। अल्लाह हाफिज़।